Simplify 3 minus 2 root 2 times 3 plus 2 root 2. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to multiply 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. From algebra, we know that when you have a plus b times c plus d, it can be expanded as a times c plus d, then plus b times c plus d. So you use the first term in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. Then after that, you use the second term in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. If we apply this here, then 3 minus 2 root 2 times 3 plus 2 root 2 can be expanded as 3 times 3 plus 2 root 2. So the first term in the first bracket, which is 3, times the second bracket, which is 3 plus 2 root 2. Then after that, we will use the second term in the first bracket, which is negative 2 root 2, to multiply the second bracket, which is 3 plus 2 root 2. So we have 3 times 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 times 3 plus 2 root 2. Now let's expand the brackets. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 3 times 2 root 2 give us 6 root 2. We have 3 times 2 root 2. So 3 times 2 give us 6. And so we will have 6 root 2. So 3 times 2 root 2 give us 6 root 2. Let's come to the second one. Negative 2 root 2 times 3 will give us negative 6 root 2. Once again, we have negative 2 root 2 times 3. So we have negative 2 times 3, which will give us negative 6. We have the root 2 here, so we have negative 6 root 2. Then finally, negative 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 give us 4 times 2. We have negative 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. And so this will give us negative 2 times 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. Negative 2 root 2 give us negative 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 give us 2. So we have negative 4 times 2. And so we now have 9 plus 2 root 2 minus 6 root 2 minus 4 times 2. 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2 will give us 0. 4 times 2 give us 8. So we will have 9 minus 8. And 9 minus 8 will give us 1. So it means that when we simplify this, we are going to have 1. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is A.